2007 F-150 Lariat, fully loaded, aluminum rims, nice black and gold, and a few little, kind of a chip there, this little scratch there. Oh, that could probably be buffed out if you wanted to. A little bit of rust bubbles starting to happen there. Got Euro tail lights. Got a box liner. Tonneau cover. There's again a little rust showing up there. It's got cab corner rust. Little spot there. Interior on it looks very nice, other than the driver's seat's got a spot on it. It's clean. I left the key in it. It's a 5.4 V8 auto. New VCT solenoids on it. A little bit of a cam phaser knock. Not really noticeable from outside. It's actually quite quiet. It's got 315,000 K on it. Yeah, 315, 139, 24.5 liters per 100K driving around town. Everything works and drives good. Power pedals. Got auto heat controls. 6-disc changer, MP3 player, 4 high, 4 low. Lariat, so it's got pretty much everything available in 2007. Steering mounted controls, console shift, console. Very nice, clean truck.